Do the thing Awilo. Do the thing Awilo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. Do the thing Awilo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Awilo. Dorete Awilo, beta ato. Dorete Awilo, beta ato. Dorete Awilo, oya beta ato. Dorete Awilo, beta ato. Eno tete na menyere, bono na beto no kwete yere. Eno tete na menyere, bono na beto na la wati teme. Dorete Awilo. Better Bessie, we adore it, Awilo. Better Bessie, we adore it, Awilo.
Hey baby, how are you? How's the weekend?
Yes,
hope you are good. How's it? Don't lock the door.
It's your house, you can do whatever you want.
I've been now. What have you been doing?
Watching my football now, today is the weekend.
You are this your football routine, eh? Off the market.
Yeah, off the market.
Like, I'm very, very
out of the market now. I want pushy champagne.
Oh, that's my baby. Bella. Bella.
My baby.
Yeah. Bella. Can you just calm down, Mom? It's my babe. Come.
What are you talking?
I'm not talking to any. Bella, you're not answering me, right? It's fine. I'm not talking to anybody. Bella, can you just calm down? It's my boyfriend. Let me talk to him first, then I'll attend
To yourself alone.
babes. Don't start.
What are you talking to?
I'm not talking to anybody. Nobody. I'm talking to. I'm not,
No.
I'm talking to you now.
No, nah. You're talking to someone.
I'm not talking to anybody. I wasn't talking to
someone.
you. Choose your boyfriend over me right now. Can you just calm down? Let me explain. Can you just calm down? Let me explain better to him. Okay, fine. Let me explain. Babe, fine. Let me just tell you.
Explain what?
Let me see. You know what? There's a friend of mine, and we have been together for over 15 years, and she's my best friend. And we promised ourselves we'll be together forever. Yes. So she's here with me. You see, the ring you even gave to me, I've given to her. So if you want to marry me, you're going to marry her, and that's what I've been hiding for you. So it's just like a secret. So just please, babe, just take it like that. So she's here with me.
Babe, Bella, wait.
So my name is not Bella.
You bring ghost to my house?
She's here.
Wait.
She's here with us now.
So you're a ghost?
I'm not a ghost. Stop acting like this. Wait, can you just stop acting like this? Calm down. Don't hurt yourself. Oh God. Can you just please?
Can you take it?
Okay, you know what?
No.
Okay, you know what? We can't end this
Your friend will
relationship.
leave.
If you are going to marry me, you are going to marry her, and that is just the final. I told you I don't like this. Why are you acting like this now?
Please,
You see what you cause now. You don't you don't have to come and ruin my relationship. See, please just calm down. Okay, just go. Bella, why? Bella, you're hurting me. Bella, please stop. Bella, stop.